Hey, what's up, loves? It's your girl, MissRessaT, and welcome back to another video. Thank you so much to my old loves for continuing to come back and show your girl some love. I truly, truly appreciate it. I must give a hello, a welcome, hey, boos, to all of my new loves. I don't know what happened. I don't know where y'all came from. I'm just grateful, so grateful that you're here. I'm so glad you decided to subscribe to my channel. I'm your girl, MissRessaT. I hope you stay, and I hope we can just create this beautiful family and connect and enjoy. And y'all comment down below. I want to hear from y'all. So if you have not done so yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I put out a video every week. You will either get a haul, some type of fashion video, beauty video, natural hair video, makeup, lifestyle, weight loss, something like that. You're going to get a video every week, okay? So stay tuned for that. Turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I post a video. And yeah, that's it. Let's hop right into it, you guys. So as you can tell by the title, this is another haul video. You guys really enjoyed my last one, and I enjoy doing them for you, even though I don't like to shop. But I do enjoy bringing you guys options, especially for my plus size women out there, okay? So this video you're absolutely going to love if you are plus size, number one. And number two, if you are looking to start your weight loss journey, or you're already on a journey and you're looking for clothes to wear, this would be a great option for you. If you don't know, the basis of my whole channel, majority, 99% of the time, I am talking about things that are budget friendly. I shop at budget friendly places. I try to go for the cheap first before I go for anything else. And I just think that you can still be great and fabulous on a budget. So this store is called Roses. I'm not sure if everyone has this store in around them in their town. I apologize. I don't know if y'all can hear this fan. Let me turn it off. I don't want to be rude. But I don't know if you guys have one of those around your town. It's if you don't have a Roses, you may have what's called a Maxway or a City Trends. I'm trying to think something else that's like it. Those type of stores, you may have one of those, and you may be able to find these items also. So basically, it's where you can get like discounted items. Some things are actually name brand. So yeah, that's the basis of Roses. I have fallen in love with this store, you guys. I go here way too often. I started shopping there for just stuff for my personal business and trying to find like decor items, and I discovered their clothes section, and I am in love. So I have purchased plenty of clothes for them, but today's focus is going to be fitness. So let's get started with two of the items here. I'm not going to try on all of them for you because they're the same thing. And they are their leggings from Roses. This was in the brand ICFA. Oh. Icy Fashions. I'm so dumb. And let me see if these are the same brand. These are also Icy Fashions. So I have these in black. I have these in navy blue. I have these in a gray, a dark gray, and a light gray. So when I tell you I love these freaking leggings, I love these leggings. These are perfect for working out, you guys. They are so freaking comfortable. They are not thin. Okay, that's something on them. They're not thin, and that is freaking awesome because that's hard to find in a plus size legging where you can't see straight through them. Like, I won't say that you should wear like white underwears or something or under them. I definitely feel you still need to wear your dark colors. I do notice, like when I'm on the weight machine and my legs, I'm bending or something like that, I can see the fabric stretching, but I do not see through them. But like I said, I recommend you still wear dark garments under. As you can see, they go all the way down on me. I'm pretty short. I'm only 5'2". Now, they do, you know, as I'm exercising, they do rise up, but they don't come anywhere. They come like to my calf of anything. So they're very comfortable. They're a thick material without being hot because, you know, I also don't want, you know, something really hot on me, especially I already got all this going on, honey. I don't need no extra on there. I highly recommend you check these out. I get mine in a 3X and a 4X because they actually have all the way up to 5X in these freaking leggings, y'all. Like, I definitely have gained a lot of weight, and I'm like, this is the 3X and this is the 4X, and I'm right on top of 4X, you guys. So I'm glad to be able to still find clothes that can fit me, that aren't raggedy and don't tear apart very quickly. So yeah, like I said, I have these in 4 colors, and I absolutely love these, and I want to go back. I don't even like the brown or the red ones, but I just want to go back and get them just because I can. I definitely want to go back and get the red ones. The brown, I don't know. Those will definitely be only gym attire, but I ain't gonna lie, I wear these out like on my photo shoots and stuff. I'm a photographer. But anyways, love these leggings. If you can get your hands on these, definitely pick these up. And let's see, I paid, these are $7.99. So I think that's an awesome price because from Walmart, I bought plus size leggings for them that were capri style for $7.99. And those are full length. So I think that's a good deal. Next is my favorite thing that I have found in fitness from Roses. Y'all, I'm still so shocked that I found this, and I can't wait to go back and look for some more. But they're actual workout pants. Actual, you know, what you see all the cute girls in the gym wearing, like legit the material. I don't know what this material is called. Let me see if it's in here. Was 90% polyester, 10% spandex. The name of the brand is Livy Active. Once again, $7.99 or $8.99. $7 or $8.99. I got these right here, and you won't believe what size these are in. These are in a 26, 28. Like, where do you find a 4X workout pants? Where? If you could tell me where, and it's not $50, leave it in the comments, okay? Y'all, I couldn't believe that I found these. These are super duper cute. They had more, but personally, the designs are just not quite my style. They're a little more bold, a lot of prints, a little more out there. So this is the only one I got. I am going to go back and look to see if anything else I like. I especially love this little detail right here, the little mesh at the bottom of the leg. These are full length. They go all the way down to my ankles on me. And I think it's just a cute little, you know, add-on. And I thought that was nice to have, you know. Can we get something cute in the plus size section? I thought these were so cute, you guys. I'm still so shocked at the size. Like, I have a pair of 3X workout pants that I bought from somewhere. I cannot get in them things at all. I never could get into them. So we're really cut like 2X. And every 3X workout pants that I find, the 3X is very small before I even got to the size that I am now. So, love those. Please search for those if you can find them. And if you're smaller than a 3X or 4X, then you definitely will find those. And like I said, $7.99 cannot beat. Cannot beat. So, another item here that I got. I bought these. These are cute. To kind of like lounge around in. But like I said, I bought all this stuff for fitness wear. So these, I still have the tags on these because I was thinking about taking these back. These were $7.99 too. The brand is NYL New York Laundry Active. So it is considered active wear. It was in the active wear section. And it's just simple stretch pants. I fell in love with the pockets, y'all. Like, I don't know. I like pockets. I thought these were so freaking cute. As you can see on me, they are a little tight, but well, actually, it's been so long, I probably can't return them at this point, but I am going to keep them because, you know, I definitely don't plan on staying this size, and they're super duper cute and super duper comfy and nice material. Once again, not thin whatsoever. Very comfortable capri pants, very breathable. You know, and that's really good. And I love the drawstring. It actually is a working drawstring. And yeah, that's all I have to say about these. Well, they are a little low cut in the back. I do have a high booty. So you definitely have to wear like a long shirt to work out in these. Now, personally, I don't mind wearing shirts that have my arm out. Clearly, I'm on here with my arms out. I know that's something that a lot of plus size women are insecure about. I don't know. It's never been something I've been insecure about. But this little top that I have on is from Walmart. Please someone tell me where else I can find just little tanks like this that are not like... I see stuff like this for like $15. Like, wow. Like, I just want a little tank. But anyways, if that's not your thing, Roses is a good place for you to get t-shirts. They have like so many different t-shirts. With some of them have the cutest freaking sayings and designs on them. Like, to be in the discount store, it's crazy how freaking cute they are. Like, pro-black t-shirts, Christian t-shirts. This cutie says, "Not your bae." This is too freaking cute, you guys. I had to pick this up. Like, this is in a 2 extra large. Of course, they go up to all bigger sizes. Their plus size section is pretty freaking nice. I ain't gonna lie, there is a lot of old-fashioned stuff, but then you have to just go through it and find the gems because they're dresses, they're summer dresses. If you followed me when I went on my cruise to Mexico, A lot of the sundresses I got from there, which I was cute. I'll try to remember to link those in the iCard or in the what's the thing called, description box. A lot I can't talk. Try to link those below so you guys can check it out. But they had some cute dresses there, but they have tons of tees. So it's not, if it's not your thing to wear arms out at the gym, definitely pick you up some comfortable t-shirts. Don't get them too tight so you can move around, you know, so you don't feel constricted. This one I did get in a 2X simply because I don't know if I may wear this to the gym, but I kind of want to cut this up and make this real cute because it's too cute. Not your bae. Yes. So I really think that, but I wanted to show that to you guys just because, let you know that there are other options, because most of the time I do wear t-shirts to the gym because I don't have a lot of these cute tanks, and I wish I did because they're just more comfortable to me. And like I said, I'm not insecure by having my arms out, but I understand if you are, ladies. I think that's it, you guys. Oh, one more thing. I got these shoes. Now, I would not consider these shoes workout shoes whatsoever. I definitely need some recommendations on some really good workout shoes. Like, I'm kind of willing to pay the price. I don't want to, but I really need some shoes with some great support. I have plantar fasciitis. If you don't know what that is, Google it. But these are like activity shoes that I got from Roses. The name brand is Take a Walk. That's what's in them. They are not cute whatsoever. They are not cute. But I got them because I wanted some blue shoes. Because even though I don't, you know, wear all kind of matchy and cute workout outfits, I still try to be a little cute, and I wanted to have like some blue to go with my blue stuff, black shoes to go with my black stuff. You get what I'm saying? So that's why I picked those up. Those were, I want to say, like $7.99 too. I think everything in this haul was like under $10 for sure. I can tell you that. So they're great for just walking in, or just if I'm just having a cardio day or something like that, they're great for that. So yeah, that's the end of my haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if I get anything else, I'll definitely show it to you. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, especially if you have suggestions on where I can get some more workout cute fashion clothes for you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. It's been your girl, MissRessaT. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media networks and check out my previous videos and the vlog channel, and I'll see you until next time. Smooches.